All right, thank you guys for clicking on this week's video. Today we're going to go over the three major indexes, and that'll be the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. And a lot of people are confused to actually what these are. Now, you cannot invest into these particular, but you can mimic every single stock and what they are. So first off, the Dow Jones is comprised of the 30 companies that they want to use to track the market. Usually they're all blue chips. Well, they all are blue chip stocks, varying from sector to sector, and the biggest ones in those sectors. Next is the NASDAQ. This is comprised of only tech stocks. Tech stocks are one of the most volatile stocks, and it's a great way to also track the market and how well it's doing as well. And finally, the S&P 500 is the 500 largest companies in the US stock market. And basically, each and every one of these indexes are meant solely just to track the market. A lot of people can copy it just so they can continue and match these market gains. And this particular technique of investing is called indexing. And it is a good way to invest into the market passively. So I hope that explains what these three different indexes are, that they're not actually a stock that you can buy and trade, and more so of a way just to track the market. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching as always. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.